Hi guys, Best Bits Online here, back with another video. So here, we've got a chicken and dog that are best friends and absolutely love each other. This is a sand artist and he's very good at making flags with sand. These cars can drive with only 2 wheels. This valley in Switzerland looks absolutely amazing at night. By hanging different sized objects at different lengths, this artist has made a beautiful picture in the air. By using a little bit of science, this guy's managed to drain the water out of one cup and into another cup just using only a straw. This long grass got swayed about by such high winds that it began to look like some waves in a sea. In a mountain range in Japan, there's something called a snow wall, where snow is shovelled off the road and it makes this amazing structure that can reach up to 20 metres in height. This person made a huge volcano on Minecraft. Okay guys, that's been it from me today. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and subscribing. That's been it from me today. Bye.